Namaste everyone. Welcome to the last section of this paper. Question number 29 is construct a triangle ABC such that BC is 7.5, angle B is 45 degree and AB minus AC is 4 centimeter. So for your clear understanding, you can do one thing. You can draw a triangle. So this is a rough diagram which I am going to draw. Here we will draw BC 7.5 is given. Then we draw an angle at 45 degree. I will keep in mind that AB should be greater than AC. So this should be greater than AC. So something like this. ABC. Now here AB is greater than AC by 4 centimeter. So whatever is the length of AC, say it is X. So this length should be X plus 4. This length should be X plus 4. So if I know this length, what I will do? From here, it should be X and then remaining distance should be 4. So this distance is remaining distance, it should be 4. And then this part and this part should be equal. Now how I can draw or I construct so that these two parts will become same. So for that, if I join this and I draw perpendicular bisector of this segment, then by that construction, this part and this part will become same. So from here, I get the clue how I have to draw this triangle. What I have to do, I have to draw this BC of 7.5. Then I have to take one point here. Let us say this point is A dash of 4 centimeter, and then I have to join this A dash and C, and then I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this A dash C, where it cut this B A dash produced, that I will mark as point A. So let us do the final construction. Okay, I'm drawing without any pencil, scale or rounder, but you have to use all the instruments. So first, with the help of a scale, we will draw a line segment of 7.7 centimeter and name it as BC. Then at point B, I will draw an angle of 45 degree. So from here, there will be an angle of 45 degree. I will take a rounder and I will cut an arc of 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. And I will join this point. Let us mark this as A dash, and I will join this A dash and C. Then I draw a perpendicular bisector of this A dash and C. So let us see that perpendicular bisector is something like this. Okay, this is not right angle. You have to draw perpendicular bisector. For perpendicular bisector, you will put one point at point A. You will take a distance more than half of this AC and mark arc on the upper side and lower side of this side AC, and you will repeat the same thing by taking point C as the center. Okay, so you will get something arc like this. They will cut each other and then you will join them and they will going to meet at point, some point to B A dash produced. That point we will mark as A, and then we join this A and C. So this A, B and C is going to be your required triangle. Now here we have to find the value of P0, P1, P minus 2 for the following polynomial. So our polynomial is Px is equals to 10x minus 4x square minus 3 I will put 0 in place of x, so I will get p of 0. So p of 0 will be 10 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square minus 3. That will give me answer as minus 3. Then I have p of 1. So for p of 1, I will put x is equals to 1. So it is 10 into 1 minus 4 into 1 square minus 3. So 10 into 1 is 10 minus 4 minus 3. So 4 plus 3 7, 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. This is p of 1. And then p of minus 2. So in place of x, I will put minus 2. So 10 into minus 2 minus 4 into minus 2 square minus 3. So this is minus 20. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 to the 8. So this is minus 8 minus 3. So this is 28 plus 2 30 31. This is minus 31. This is p of minus 2. So p of 0 is minus 3. P of 1 is plus 3 and p of minus 2 is minus 31. Find the zeros of the polynomial px. Find the zeros. Now we have given px is equals to x minus 2 the whole square minus x plus 2 the whole square. Now we have to find the zeros. So for zeros of polynomial, we consider p of x is equals to 0. This implies that x minus 2 square minus x plus 2 square is equals to 0. So this gives us x minus 2 square is equals to x plus 2 square. And this gives us x minus 2 is equals to, we will take square root on both the sides. So this is plus or minus x plus 2. So this implies that x minus 2 is equals to x plus 2 or x minus 2 is equals to minus of x plus 2. So from here I will get x, this x and x will cancel. So here I will get minus 2 is equals to plus 2, or here it is x minus 2 is equals to minus x minus 2. So this condition minus 2 is equals to 2 is not possible. So I will say that, but this minus 2 is equals to 2 not is not correct. So therefore I have x minus 2 equal to minus x minus 2. Now this minus x I will move on right. So therefore I have 2x is equals to minus 2, and this minus 2 will go on right. It will become plus 2. So from here I have the value of x is 0. So the solution for this equation is x is equals to 0. Or I will say that the 0 of this polynomial is x is equals to 0. Next question is by actual division. Find the quotient and the remainder when the first polynomial is divided by the second polynomial. So we are dividing x power 4 plus 1 by x minus 1. So here let us divide x power 4 plus 1 by x minus 1. So this is x power 4 and this is x. So our first choice in quotient will be x cube. Now this x cube I will multiply by x minus 1. So x cube into x will give me x power 4 and x cube into 1 will give me minus x cube. I will subtract it. This is minus, this is plus. Now this I got 0. Here I get x cube. This is plus x cube and this is plus 1. So I will bring that down. Now this is x cube and this is x. So I get x square in the quotient. So this is x cube minus x square. Again I will subtract. This is minus and this is plus. So here I will get x square plus 1. This is x minus 1. This is x square plus 1. So x square when divided by x, I get x. So x into x is x square. Then x into minus 1 is minus x. I will subtract. So here it is x plus 1 and here it is x minus 1. So the next choice is plus 1. Now 1 into x is x and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So here I will get x minus 1. Then again I will subtract. So finally remainder is 2. So the question is find the quotient and remainder. So therefore I will say therefore required quotient is equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is required quotient and remainder is 2. So quotient and remainder. Simple. Next question. Plot the following point and write name of the figure obtained by joining them in order. So for plotting the points, we will first draw a graph. For that, this is our x-axis. Here a small diagram I will take. X-axis and y-axis. The first point I will take minus 3 comma 2. So along x-axis we have to take minus 3. Along y-axis we have to take 2. So minus 3 comma 2 I will get 1 point here. Then minus 7 comma 3. So along x-axis minus 7. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and say here it is minus 7. And then we have minus 3. So 1, 2 and 3 somewhere here. So I get one more point here. This is point P. This is point Q. Then 6 comma 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then 1, 2 and 3. 6 comma minus 3. Sorry, 6 comma minus 3. So the next point I will get at this point. This is PQR. And S is 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2. The point is somewhere here. So PQRS. Now I will join. So this is a straight line parallel to x-axis. This is a straight line parallel to x-axis. And then I will join these 2 points. So as one pair is parallel, what I get? I get a trapezium. So plot the figure and write the name. So therefore I will say therefore this figure, this quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. This PQRS is a trapezium. This is question number 32. Now 33. In which quadrant or on which axis each of the following point lies? So again, here we have x-axis and we have y-axis. Let me rub this diagram. X and y. In which quadrant or on which axis the following point lies? Minus 3, 5. So this is minus 3, 5. So I get 1 point here. Minus 3, 5. Then 4, 1. In which quadrant or on which axis each of the following point lies? Okay. So actually the problem is not to draw the diagram, but only to identify in which quadrants the points are. So you can, for your understanding, you can draw coordinate system like this. This is your first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So minus 3, 5, x negative, y positive. So this, I will say this minus 3, 5 is in second quadrant. Then 4, 1 is in first quadrant. And 2, 0. 2, 0 is, okay, now this 2, 0. 2, 0 will be somewhere here. It is along, I will say that it is along positive direction of x-axis. So this is your solution. Now next question, let y varies directly as x. So y varies directly as x means y is directly proportional to x. That is, this implies y is equals to some constant k into x. Okay, where k is constant. Now if y is 12 when x is 4, so we have when x is 4, y is 12. So therefore y is 12. So I will write 12 is equals to k into x. K into x means 4k. So this implies k equal to 12 upon 4. 4 3s are 12. So the value of k is 3. So value of k is 3. Y varies directly as x. When y is 12, x is 4. Then write the linear equation. What is the value of y when x is equals to 5? I have to find when x is equals to 5, what is the value of y. Now k I got, so therefore I will say that y equal to kx means 3x. Y equal to 3x. Now when x is equals to 5, when x is equals to 5, y is equals to 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is what? 15. So therefore when x is equals to 5, y is 15. What is the value of y? It is 15. Okay, in figure BA, BA perpendicular to AC and DE, DE perpendicular to DF. such that BA is equals to DE and BF is equals to EC. We have to show that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. Now, angle A and angle D, we see that they are equal. Then we have BA and side DE, that is also equal. So one angle is right angle and one side we are knowing that they are equal. Now if we get their hypotenuse equal, then by RHS it could be considered as congruent. So hypotenuse is BC and FE, but they have given BF equal to EC. Now if I add a common side FC in both these sides, I will get BC equal to EF. So by RHS, I can say that triangles are congruent. So in all these cases, you have to first identify which rule you can apply, then accordingly you proceed. So I will start here. BF is equals to, here BF is equals to EC. This is given. So I add FC on both the sides. So therefore, we have BF plus FC is equals to EC plus FC. So this gives me BC equal to, here it is EF. I will consider this as equation 1. Now I will take two triangles. So I will say that now in triangle, I have one triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. DEF in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now in these two triangles, we have angle A equal to angle D. So in these two triangles, we have angle A equal to angle D. Here the region is each 90 degree. Then we have BA. Then we have BA equal to ED. BA equal to ED or DE. This is given. And third, we have BC is equals to EF. Now third, we have BC is equals to EF. These two sides are also equal. So it is from 1. We have proved it in 1, from 1. So therefore, we have triangle ABC. It is congruent to triangle DEF. So these two triangles are congruent. The criteria is RHS. RHS criteria. Show that these two triangles are congruent. So we have shown that they are congruent by RHS criteria. This is 35. 36 is P is a point on the bisector of angle ABC. So P is a point on the bisector of angle ABC. If line through P parallel to BA meets BC at Q, prove that BPQ is an isosceles triangle. So P is a point on bisector of ABC. So let us first draw a triangle, and I will name this triangle as ABC. So ABC. Then I will draw angle bisector. P is a point on the angle bisector of ABC. So here I will draw an angle bisector, and here I will get point P. Angle bisector means these two angles are same. So let us mark them as XX. We have taken point P. Now parallel to AB, parallel to BA, meet BC at Q. So P is a point on the bisector of angle ABC. If the line through P, okay, I have to draw a line through P which is parallel to BA. So parallel to BA, I will draw a line something like this. Okay, right. So it meets BC at point Q. So this point is Q. This point is Q. We have to prove that this B, P, BP and Q. BPQ is a isosceles triangle. So this triangle BPQ, I have to prove that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So here we can prove that this BQ and this PQ are equal. Okay. So how we prove that these two sides are equal? How we prove? So easily you can see that this AB and this PQ are equal. They are parallel, and this BP can be considered as transversal, and this angle ABP and this QPB, they are also going to be equal as their alternate angle. So from this we can say that now this angle is x, this angle is also x. So this is an isosceles triangle. When two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal, and the triangle become isosceles triangle. So here in solution, I will say that BP is angle bisector of angle B. So therefore angle ABP is equals to angle ABP is equals to angle QBP is equals to angle QBP is equals to x. This I will consider as equation 1. ABP is equals to QBP is equals to x. These two angles are x because BP is angle bisector. Now AB is parallel to PQ and BP is transversal and BP is transversal. Now AB is parallel to PQ and BP is transversal. So therefore their alternate angles are equal. So therefore I have angle ABP is equals to angle QPB. So we have angle ABP which is equals to x. So this QPB is also equal to x. Reason is alternate angle. Now from 1 and 2 I can say that in triangle. So therefore I will say that in triangle QPB, angle QPB is equals to angle PBQ or QBP is equals to angle QBP. This is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 you can write this. So now this and these two angles are equal. Therefore their opposite sides. Therefore BQ equal to PQ. Therefore I can say that BQ equal to PQ. So these two sides are equal. Therefore we have triangle QBP is isosceles triangle. Okay, so this angle QBP, this triangle will become an isosceles triangle. ABC is a right triangle with AB equal to AC. Bisector of angle A meet BC at D. Prove that BC is equal to 280. Okay, let us see this question. ABC is a right triangle with AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC means A is the point at which it is a right angle. So I will draw a right angle triangle. This is our OR part. This is A, this is B, this is C. ABC is a right triangle with AB equal to AC. Bisector of angle A meet BC at D. Now bisector of angle A, here I will draw a bisector. Bisector of angle A meet this BC at point D. We have to prove that this BC is equals to 2 times AD. Okay. Bisector, so here this angle is X and this angle is X. Okay, this is given. This whole complete angle is 90 degree. So each angle is what, 45 degree, right? So in place of X, you can also say that it is a 90 degree angle, 45 degree, 45 degree angle. So here this angle is going to be 45, this angle is going to be 45. This side and this side is equal. Okay. So as these two sides are equal, this angle and this angle is also going to be equal. So as this is a right angle triangle, they are also going to be 45 degree. So here I will get 45, here I will get 45. So this triangle DAB will become an isosceles triangle, and this triangle DAC will become an isosceles triangle. Therefore this BD and this AD will be equal, and this CD and this AD will be equal. So that means this BC is twice of AD. So this is what we have to do. So let us start in solution. In solution, I will say that first I will take triangle ABC. Let us take triangle ABC first. In triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. AB equal to AC. Therefore, angle C is equals to angle B. This is your isosceles triangle theorem. Isosceles triangle theorem. So, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So, angle C and angle B is equal, 45 degree, 45 degree each. Okay, I will, but angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. This is angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. This is angle sum property of triangle. So angle A we have 90 degree. So therefore here we have 90 degree plus angle B, and in place of angle C I can write angle B. Okay, you can say that this is equation 1. This is equals to 180, or here I will mention that angle, since angle B is equals to angle C. So therefore we have 2 times angle B is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equals to 90 degree. So 2 times angle B is equals to 90 degree. This indicate This implies that angle B is equals to 90 divided by 2 is equals to 45 degree. So therefore I will say that this angle B is equals to angle C is equals to 45 degree. This is our equation 1. Okay. Now AD is angle bisector of angle BAC. Now we have AD is angle bisector of angle A. So therefore angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. So therefore angle BAD is equals to angle CAD, and they are going to be equal to half of angle A, which is half of 90 degree, which is 45 degree. So these two angles are 45 degree. This is equation 2. Now in triangle ADB, we take triangle ADB. So I will say that we can do one thing. We can draw this diagram here. Okay, forget it. So in triangle ABC, in triangle DAB, so now in triangle DAB, in triangle DAB we have angle A is equals to angle B is equals to 45 degree. This we can say that from 1 and 2. So therefore side opposite to angle A, which is DB, will be equal to side opposite to angle B, which is AD. So therefore these two sides are equal. This is converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Converse of isosceles triangle theorem. This we can consider equation 3. Also in triangle, now the second triangle we will take DAC. In triangle DAC we have angle A equal to angle C. Okay, this is from 1 and 2. So therefore side opposite to angle A is DC and side opposite to angle C is DA. This I will consider equation 4. Again this is isosceles triangle theorem. So from 3 and 4, if we see equation 3 and equation 4, from equation 3 we have dB is equals to AD and this AD is equals to DC. So this three sides are equal. AD is equals to this BD is equals to this BC. So this side equal to this side equal to this side. So AD is equals to half of BC, we can say. Or you can do better, what you can do from 3 and 4, instead of writing that from 3 and 4, we can say that adding equation 3 and 4. Eraser is not working, I think. Okay, I will say that adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. Now, when we add 3 and 4, we have this dB plus dC. dB plus dC is equals to AD plus AD. dB plus dC is BC, and this AD plus AD is 2 times AD. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that BC is equals to 2 AD. So hence I will say that hence proved. Hence proved. Now if the mean of the following data is 20.2, find the value of P. So here X is given and F is given. So we can draw a column of X, then a column of F, and then a column of X into F. The value of X is 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. And the value of frequency, we have 6, 8, P, 10 and 6. 6, 8, here it is 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, P, 10 and 6. So here it is P, then we have 10 and then we have 6. And mean is given, mean of the data is 20.2. Okay, so for mean we know that X bar formula, we know that X bar is equals to summation of X into F divided by summation of F. It is summation of X into F. In better words, we say Xi Fi, and here it is Xi Fi. Here it is Fi, here it is Xi. So 10 into 6 is 60. 15 into 8, 8 5 are 40, 4, 8 1 is 8 plus 4, 12, 120. 20 into P is 20P. 25 into 10 is 250. And 30 into 6 is 180. So let us add this frequency first. So this is 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. And P is here, so 30 plus P is my total frequency. Let us add here. It is 0, 0, 0, 0. I have 0. Then 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. So I will write 1 here. 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So this is 610. Plus we have 20p. 610 plus 20p. So now X bar, I will say that X bar is equals to summation of XiFi, sorry, summation of XiFi. Again and again I am using mistake in calling Fi. Divided by summation of Fi. So therefore, now this X bar is given 20.2 is equals to, this summation is 610 plus 20p divided by 30 plus p. So therefore we cross multiply 20.2 into 30 plus p is equals to 610 plus 20p. Let us see. The value of X bar is 20.2. Okay, so perfect now, 20.2, right? So therefore, when we open the bracket, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, then 0, and then again 3 to the 6. So this is 606 plus 20.20p, 20.2p is equals to, here it is 610 plus 20. So therefore, now here I have 20.2p. This 20p I will move on left. So this is 20p is equals to, here it is 610 minus this is 606. So 20.2p minus 20 is 0.2p is equals to 610 minus 606 is 4. So therefore p is equals to 4 divided by 0.2 is equals to 40 divided by 2 is equals to 20. So the value of p is 20, and that is what we have to calculate. Okay, next is the following table gives the frequency of most commonly used letter A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, R, T, U. Okay, R, T, U is there from the page of a book. Represent the information above by a graph. So your choice will be a bar graph, right? So we will draw a bar graph. For that, this is our part. Okay, so here I will draw x-axis and here it is y-axis. Okay, vertical line generally is not vertical at all. Okay, so again let us try to draw a perfect vertical. Now this is somewhat better. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Along x-axis I have A, E, I, O, R, T, U. So we have one bar for, so means here what we do, at equal intervals we will mark the points. So first, in your graph paper it is already at equal intervals right now. So here I will mark it. This I will consider A, E, I, O. Then we have T, A, E, I, O, R, T, U, R, T, U. This is R. This is then one gap and then I, O, R. Then we have T and then we have U. Okay. Along y-axis we will mark we have to mark till 125. So 10, 20 like that we can do. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, 90. Then I will extend this line. Then we have 100, 110, 120, 130. So till 125 we have to mark. So till 130 I will write. Then A, frequency of A is 75. Now here we write frequency along y-axis. Okay, you can mention frequency along y-axis and alphabet along x-axis or letter along x-axis. Now the frequency for A is 75. So what we do? We mark a 75 point and draw one bar of height 75. Okay, then we keep one gap, and then for E we will see frequency, it is 125. So 125, so somewhere here. So this is 125, and so on we can mark other bars also. So this is your bar graph. Done, you can do it. Okay, now let us see this last question. If the temperature of liquid can be measured in Kelvin unit as X degree Kelvin or in Fahrenheit unit as Y degree Fahrenheit, the relation between the two systems of measurement is given by the relation. So one relation we have given, Y is equals to 9 upon 5 X minus 273 plus 32. Here X is in degree Kelvin and Y is in Fahrenheit. Now find the temperature of the liquid in Fahrenheit if the temperature in Kelvin is 313. So first question is X is equals to 313 degree Kelvin. So therefore what I can say, that I can say that Y is equals to 9 upon 5. The value of X is 313 minus this is 273 plus 32. So here it is 9 upon 5. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. 11 minus 7 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So 9 upon 5 into 40 plus 32 is equals to 5 8s are 9 into 8 plus 32. So 9 8s are, it is 72 plus 32. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is 104. The value of Y is 104 degree Kelvin. 104 degree Kelvin. This is Y. If the temperature is 158 Fahrenheit, then temperature in Kelvin. When Y is 158, second case is we have given Y is 158. So therefore I will say that this 158 is equals to 9 upon 5 into X minus 273 plus 32. So first this 32 I will bring on left. So therefore I have 158 minus 32 is equals to 9 upon 5 into X minus 273. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 15 minus 3 is 12. So this is 126 is equals to 9 upon 5 into X minus 273. This I will simplify as 126 into 5 upon 9 is equals to X minus 273. Now 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. So that 126 can be divided by 9. Let us divide by 9. 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 336, 9 4 the, and 14 5 the 70. So X minus 273 is 70. Okay, I will say therefore. Okay, therefore your X is 273 plus 70. 0 plus 3 is 3, 7 plus 7, 14, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 343 degree. The value of x, it is degree Kelvin, 343 degree Kelvin. And the value of x we got 104, value of y, it is 104 degree Fahrenheit. This is not Kelvin, this is degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so we got the value of y as 104 degree Fahrenheit, and here we got value of x as 343 degree Kelvin. This is x and y. So simple question for 5 marks. Okay, done. So we have done all the questions of this paper. Okay, I think total 2 hours 15-20 minutes we have taken to solve this complete paper. So now you have enough time to revise your paper again. Okay, you can underline the main answers and check your question before submitting it. So thank you for being with me in this paper.